Okay, now I deliver some riddles. Please give me answer.
Okay.
I have a teeth, but I do not bite. Now tell me, what am I?
You have teeth, but you do not bite. I'm sure you are a comb.
Comb. Yes, you are right. Next, another question for you. You can read me. I have many pages. I am made of paper. Now you tell me, what am I?
I can read you. You have many pages. You made of paper. আমি তোমাকে পড়তে পারি। তুমি কাগজ দিয়ে তৈরি। Yes, you are a book.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, you are right. But try to give me answer quickly. Next question for you. You like me with tea. I am made of flour, sugar, and fruit. Tell me, what am I?
I like you with tea.
Speak loudly.
Yes, I'm
Quickly.
sure you are a cake.
Are you like cake to eat?
Yes, I like this.
Yes, cake. Yes, cake. But loudly. Tell loudly. I like grass. I have on a farm. I live on a farm. I give milk. Tell me, what am I?
You like grass. You live on a farm. You give milk. I am sure you are a cow.
Yes, your cow. But yes, cow. Next, another question. I am a pet. I can run. I can bark. Tell me, what am I?
You are a pet. You can run. You can bark. I am sure you are a dog.
That means dog. Yes, your dog. It is dog. Next question for you. I am white. I am liquid. People drink me. Now tell me, what am I?
You white. You liquid. People drink you.
বাংলা বলো।
তুমি সাদা রঙের। তুমি তরল পদার্থ। লোকে তোমায় প্রাণ করে। Yes, I'm sure you are a milk.
Milk. Yes. Next question. It is tough, I think. Tired people like me. I am usually well knit. I am about 6 feet long. Tell me, what am I?
I'm sure you are a tree.
T? No. T is not 6 feet long. Another? I'm sure it is not T. I'm sure it is not T. Because T is not 6 feet long.
I don't know.
You cannot guess.
Yeah.
Okay, I can give you another one chance. You
Okay.
tell me another one question answer.
Oh, okay. Okay. It is. It is. It is. I don't know.
It is you don't know. It is caught. You are failure.
Oh
That
my
means
god.
it is caught. Okay, no problem.